President ka United Democratic Party uba Metbah Lyngdoh Uloong baka party ka skhem ban yo ek jingjop na Sohïong Constituency haka election jit nong thawan ka ban long ka supporter ku jemmang arjar pulai Uloong bakat kum ki kai pot na ginongkit kam hagi benta ba pher jong ka constituency ka sur ka bawan ka long ban jit yo kertong ka party uba sensha Lyngdoh uba mi bujeli haka jaka ukni jong u kata uba HDR Lyngdoh uba lakhlat no haka ar supporter ku rempang arjar pulai.
We are very confident. We are very confident that this time, even from Sohïong Constituency, after the adjournment which has for polling, which has been announced by the Election Commission, and now the adjournment date has been fixed by the Election Commission. So we will move ahead, and till now, whatever information that I have, whatever inputs that we have received from the ground level, things are going in favor of our candidate.
So do you see that the sympathy wave also will be to the advantage of the UDP in Sohïong?
Yeah, definitely, because what I witnessed myself personally when I met one gentleman who was from my constituency but married and settled down in Sohïong constituency. He said this time we will ensure that even we voted for, we were with a different political party, but this time we'll ensure that we are back with the UDP to ensure that we would like to see show our gratefulness to late HDR Lyngdoh because of his contribution to the constituency and even to them also as family. In this during those years when he was the MLA of Sohïong.